aja ha tum ke Charlie tang tum do la tum pen stame chingkilong la pen ke thek dong ateng pulutang te ke Charlie hodak pen ke Charlie atum mangke well settle si kyong la pen la tum mangke isi position mission along si kyong la pen an parta Sainik school son son thak thak Central Institute jong si wan un ulang pulutang te itum Karbi Anglong phan mang mission ji pusin lining chethe athema ilitum ke non amat hemprek sitame long lelang hemprek hang bom la se hemprek hang long sitame dak thedung Central Institute jong se do pulutang te isi recognition phan sitame prap o la si ke Charlie our size sitame long lang la pen lapu itum ke hang hemprek phan sitame sapso RD doji pusin nili ning matha
Choriklo non maginili Indian National Congress representative Sir Ratul Teron Manse Arjungtung Sainik School Aputhak Nalitum Indian National Congress pen opposition kupila at the present time
Kardom kado wepanta si Sainik School Aputhak Sainik School Karbi Anglong long nakesengi mata nakekim yip ko lama kada poelo nilitum Congress hin pen mata Indian National Congress pen ke nona ko bangke al jitia loke itu lu cetok titik Sainik School le bohai pusta itu lu cetok nahi office memorandum pusta me office memorandum le cetok pusta MOU le cetok pusta jat le cetok pusta isi lu ke cetok do nahi Adema non ilitum kado ka beta except krosang ho pena behere ke Sainik School ke porhi bang dak itum penelong kang di prongjok ta be Lasi alu itum non ke theklong atengke Karbi Anglong long le Sainik School nang bilo bulote 67% a student ke Assam men sidopo bon sita Assam angkang thepik pen itum Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lapen Dima Hasau district Karbi Anglong pen Dima Hasau a district atumapan reservation seat ko anang BPE hula 67% pen ilitum phan hula dak a 50% nang PG ma lahelo alam ke thike itumo sumar long nunde bangke lahelo alam bangke athema all India basis ke laso exam ke pivek nahi impen cut off mark bang lidun vek nahi इसे cut off mark के लिए 14 किलोमीटर के लिए हुला seat capacity pen si student pan get habji insi Karbi Anglong pen Dima Hasau autonomous district atumphan ko an a seat reservation nang BPG labangke ni kipui bu bangke lake central jula ministry defense ministry pen si che tok nahi pugali bonsa lake defense ministry pen ke bangke bhag nahi an bhagalo Lapan ke hongo sumartum halo lapan ke lapan lo bom sida non dag bangke Assam along ki biopod ituma phan abhag bangkoan ma da bangke
Chorola sir
government of Assam is chetok nahi
Chorola sir Noro banginili ASDC representative Manse Arjungtung lo ASDC pen alang litum Sainik School Aputhak alang litum a standing position kupilone rada pan pachini sonte me
prangsi digital Karbi Anglong digital news frama abang futuman churur parlo aso discussion ke wan apot pen ke kithi gidi nilitu mahin pen bangke badili limited knowledge ahin pen bangke lalo education mangke kenang sot itum backward hawar long tamil abang kenang sot puthoi phi sami meteron so kan nije so naktak bangso Sainik School sami dak Karbi Anglong establish le prang sami itu a condition kopiloma la sobang announce kopiloma la sobang chini na theba Assam Central University kibi utamel la so parliament lo ki place pe ko tamel a kadu tamel la sobang circulate ba patini pon dak tribal ira kusolo bala so itu man akira du ami hala so ateng mesi ilitu la dak tame campus bak padu dak po pen Guwahati instead of Guwahati University la kitu Assam University dong Silchar University dong seitum durun ji Karbi Anglong pen ke Laso alam dulu, lasi laso ahai tamai tum kicini kenang sot, bobe alang lagi puson lasi, ni la micedon dul, ladak dak itum kecali awar sai kusol itum yuda tum kecali atum. Laso bang tamai jong sa percentage so si tuan kom he suppose job da all national level si atum policy si lagdang kutame recruitment makadu be policy si lagdang kutame 5% sa type si long dun chot plote itu bada da kali du ideji laso bang da du ko bola sila da ke maximum laso admission la fan ke kedang sot laso bang du yak pe kapre facility lambe dang local youth eligibility laso ateng pen ato te ateng pesi absorb police and pede teaching line punon ba faculty punon ba non teaching punon ba kapre staff log laso recruitment long pusami laso bang ke kedang sot kali pulo te tu ban bang ke lake bo future bang ke chok siden thank you
Zoro sir. Non APHLC ban arjung tung. Nang itum main point of concern gupila Sainik School Aputhak.
Nilitum a party ben bang puang tung bang lahen lo. A party poli lo. Rada tum alam thinitum puang tung bang lahen lo. Labang so a school lo enrollment ka chapulong dun thek ji process ko son lo. Nilitum lang lo. Ilitum non hejong INC pen paklang pon son tak taxi 67% reserved for the state. Lake state phansi ke jong. Assam as a whole phansi ke jong pon. Pulotang te ilitum dake non ke emethanga state ke kalider lang pojo. Hala 67% long bang ilitum ke state quota 5% si dudun chot pokadi. Pulotang te dak pan ke itum in student enrollment bang ke jum dun hek hangyang po. Lapen ilitum pini alumni itum dado, we must congratulate them. That crowd long audience long matado. Ilitum ke langning bang kopiluma. It start from class 6 recruitment process ke change class 6 pen. What about from class KG to class 5? Halatum kunalo ka Charlie itum lang der nang lang. Pini early itum Rajib sir. Alang liada class 6 pen enrolled dunola so prang kunar school pen ka Charlie long. Alang lihala so school along. Mesen education ke endun persilang enrollment ke long dun. And he is very lucky enough. After enrollment, his parents is able to pay the required admission amount. In case of Sir Rajib. Mr. Rangsina Hanse, where did he study before class 6? Class 6 aprang alang li kuso school ka Charlie. Ilitum la lang nang lang. Alang li hada ki mesen ka Charlie long opotsi, Sainik school long admission ke long dun. Luckily, he is a son of one of the minister cabinet. He is able to pay the admission fee. Amar alang ki long dun that the enroll in that. Mr. Ibon Teron, who studied in St. Peter Silong, from his basic studies from KG to or whatever, from class 1 to class 5. He is one of the reputed school in Meghalaya. After that only he got to enroll in Sainik school. Tala so pranke. Alang yong si kapreka school pen ponte enrolled in Sungkrungji. Luckily, he is one of the officers' son. Alang figi piphan dorkar odello. Think about the people from Tarapung. Tarapung lo yong si inu the farmer also. Wrong si school ka Charlie lo. Sainik school lo admission tok dun lo. Tek sera joy ne duk walk sita long lok lo. Will the farmer able to pay the fee of the school? That the criteria has been made for. Lahis sinil tum kipugang tung. Lasinil tum puang tung bang lahen lo je. Ili tumphan autonomous state long le derlang porsi ili tum methang a reservation 67% long mangal tum ke chijok dun ke lake long dun dema busin ili tum mathapon ili tum neighboring state like Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal hala tum bangke 67% de lake tribal tum ta general long admission long dun rapo kalimade sita ili tum da ke long onde derji 5% long ili tum ke chiki duning. That is also all over India ST reserve. Lasi nil tum ka phere bangka enrollment along si nil tum ka phere theo. Lal.
Thank you. Laso Aputhak BJP pen besang ko kupitong kethak rumjine lang li pen arjung sedang.
He is particularly talking about enrollment. Enrollment Aputhak selang ipu. He took the example of Mr. Rangsina Hanse and Ibon Teron. Lapen kaprek example en lah. Sitame alang dalan deeply study di Thailand, je hola tum fancy study chot Thailand. But he should know, lapen mane BPL background pen atum ta hadak admission long dun pu bangke hoitu alang sami study di Thailand. Let me give you an example. Ake hai Mohendra Timung alang li bangke kosong telepon exchange song si non mai klembom alang li ke sai pen si sponsor lo wala sports nat mission amat alang li bangke hala dak pen si akke joy charli long lok long lake mission background pen leke bang kali lo lake lason nak thak pangkos mithi non hala bili mohon khakla rialong pi dobom lobon alang li sitame khola sitame mission background pen le hodak admission ke long kali lo lason nak thak pen nang ana example ke do hai sitame apor nang kokpo lasi khada ke taxer pensi admission loing mission school pensi admission long ji tang ho mode plang o atum si admission long cho ji tang la puson kali lake angok kaya mat ne ligi pudam ji pubang ke hala reservation phanta chiki ver nang ne laso reservation phan chiki ver ajoni si no ta tum karbeng long